Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback after pullback. We had this little scammy pump earlier because the SPX pumped, and then Bitcoin has been just bleeding slowly. Now, we talk about this all the time, where once you have a high, your next low, when you have a lower high, this is an exit signal. And I told you, this exact bull trap right here, this exact bull trap, not good to print a bull trap right here. I talked about huge reversal ideas based on this idea alone. Right? You actually had another bull trap after this and then plummeted. Right? When these traps happen and you get caught in them, I'm telling you, trade the other direction. Exit positions, trade the other direction. If you miss a move, who cares? Right? You just do not want to get caught in these downtrends. These drawdowns in crypto are devastating. Now, this put in a lower high, sell signal. This lower low is confirmation of a downtrend. So right now, Bitcoin is in technically it's a falling wedge. 68% chance that it breaks out to the upside. This thing breaks lower, parabolic drop. Now, you want to see some, bullish divergence potentially play out. We're going to talk about some reversal ideas in just a second on the daily chart. So here you're at, and not even necessarily major reversal ideas, but here you're at the 618 support. You got your daily candle that just closed. You've got this level here as support, was the floor, right? This level was the floor. This level was the ceiling. This was the ceiling. So this is the key level. There's some buyers right here. Okay, so what you want to see for some short-term good trading out of the altcoins, gem picks on Kucoin, you want to see a bounce right here at this support. But if it runs up here into this resistance level, back up to like 44,700, and it gets rejected, I'm looking for more downside. Okay, so if you do get a short-term bounce based on this idea, I'll give you opportunities to make some money back with these altcoins. On Kucoin, if you got a small bag, like Kucoin is a place to trade without question. You got a smaller bag, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. You want to be trading on Kucoin. That's where you hit the best multiples. There's a VIP link in the description. Make an account there. You want to trade the small caps. I mean, they get hit hard with Bitcoin, but they bounce the hardest. You want to be on the right exchange and the right coins. The smaller caps, you get larger profits. Do not get stuck in these downtrends. Now, as soon as you see a lower high on this, and I talk about this all the time, I mean, you had a rejected bearish retest of the 200 simple, not good. We've had some significant downside. Now, will we get this bounce here, or Bitcoin's been coming down here on this trend line and been putting in higher lows. So, I mean, even if you get a higher low down here, I mean, it's still continuation of the uptrend. But one thing about major trends in Bitcoin is that the downtrends, they last for over a week or more, right? So, I mean, just be mindful that we want to get a bounce here, short-term. You want some short-term gains, get a bounce here, but there's bulls got to do a whole lot of work. I've got some amazing shout-outs to people in my trading group. This person, Nick, he's managing 6-figure portfolios now, banging. You come into the group, you've never traded before, you don't know the rules of this. If you don't know the rules of playing basketball, if you don't know what a 2-pointer or a 3-pointer is in basketball, you're not going to win the game. You don't know how to dribble, you're not going to win. If you don't know the rules of this market, you are not going to win. You will lose. You will lose your money. You got to learn. I'll teach you the rules. This person retired from his 20-year management position in oil and gas. I mean, he retired from his job. Huge. This person made so much money just following the Kucoin gem picks. Like, this stuff is easy money, but you have to make it count, right? Have to make it count and sit on the sidelines while Bitcoin's trending lower. It's easy. This is a person that started the group when they had $50,000, and now they're almost to $5 million. 4.5 million from 50,000. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. On you, when these altcoins bounce, they're going to bounce hard, or we're going to get huge gem pick multiples. But you got to definitely put some time into this and learn the basics and be ready for these coins. When they bounce hard. Ethereum, BTC. Ethereum looks stronger than Bitcoin. I mean, this is the strength of Ethereum compared to the strength of Bitcoin. And Ethereum is confirming a Adam-Eve double bottom. Okay, so, I mean, the measured moves up here. I mean, you could be in a situation where this altcoin bounce could be better for the altcoins than Bitcoin. Bitcoin puts in a 5% bounce, and the altcoins put in 10, 15% bounces, right? You remember that scenario where altcoins move exponentially compared to Bitcoin? All right, so again, ETH BTC looks strong, still printing a bullish pattern. This is Bitcoin dominance, and this is altcoin season, and we've had crazy amount of profits we've been making. Now, you do not want to see a double bottom here and this thing continue higher. Altcoins will bleed. You want this just to roll over down to this measured move, and altcoin goodness continues. This is the SPX. This is running the show right now. We wanted Wall Street to freaking get crypto. Well, they're here, and Bitcoin's following the SPX. These pivots, definitely nailing these pivots. So look at Bitcoin. You run up, and you're in a falling wedge right now. Okay, look at the SPX. You run up, and you're in a falling wedge right now, right? Still falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks out to the upside, but I mean, the question is, at the end of the day today, this thing started rolling over like it wants to come down here. Remember, on these falling wedges, you want to see a double bottom, right, for breakout ideas. I mean, you could definitely get another drive lower. RSI, I mean, you could definitely see another drive lower. If we go to pre-market, NASDAQ's getting hit pretty hard. S&P futures and Dow are kind of flat, but still, if the SPX trends lower here, I look for more pullbacks out of Bitcoin. When this bounces or this breaks out, I'm looking for Bitcoin upside. And it's that simple, right? We wanted the stock market here. Well, guess what? They're here. And they're printing the bots and algos the stock market uses. I'll tell you what, the SPX is way easier to trade. Respects TA so much better than Bitcoin. I mean, this chart alone has helped me hit some crazy multiples as far as my portfolio goes. Life-changing money, period. This important thing I have to emphasize is you should never be all in crypto. You gotta buy the red candles to have green candles to sell, period. You have to retrain yourself, right? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.